Hi everyone, I'm Catherine and this is GraCee Designs. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save money on all kinds of crafting supplies. So thrift shopping has become more popular these days as people try to save money and not give up the things they love, like crafting. So I have a few of my favorite thrift stores locally. I'm sure you can find your shops near you. And I go directly to the crafting aisle. I've found such great buys at two of the shops that I go to, and I'm going to show them to you today. The first thing I want to show you is pretty easy. It's a pair of knitting needles. I got them for $1 at a thrift store. They're ones that I've been looking for because they're a higher number for thicker yarn, but yet they're shorter, and I haven't been able to find them even in the stores. But regular knitting needles can run you anywhere from $4 and up. Then I've got these packets of rosettes. I actually got this one, which was 25 cents. These were 99 cents. I picked up 10 packages of a variety of colors, and I am all ready now to get started on making new corsages for spring. Oh, there's so many in here. And there you go. It's a variety of colors, and I'm all set. Next, I want to show you over here. I have plastic canvas. Wow, it's still a great hobby. It's good for making, as you can see, a little doll or tissue cover holders or anything that you can find to make in plastic canvas. I also have some embroidery kits. Wow, these can run you so much money, anywhere from $7 and up. And I got this cute little dimensions for $2.99, and this other dimensions for $2.99. And it's just that they're brand new, never used. One is a needle point and one is a counted cross stitch. So if you want to learn something new, go to a thrift store, buy one of these at a reasonable price. So this way you can save a little money and then learn a new project. I also got this larger counted cross stitch for $3.99. It's got everything in there, never used. Someone probably just knew they were never going to make it and decided to give it up so someone else could use it. I also got patterns, number of patterns. I'm only showing you one today, but I got this for $1. If you sew, patterns are expensive. They can run $20 nowadays. And if you can find one that's never been used in a thrift store, I advise you to buy it. I also found these great knit and crochet books. These are vintage. These are probably, I don't even know the year they're from, but 50 cents for this, which I only paid $1/4 for now. And then you have another Coates and Clark one, and then this probably not so vintage, but another leisure art book, and it's regularly $3.95, which I got for 50 cents. Yeah, there's more. So I love books. I love to shop for books, any kind of vintage books, new books, but it's always nice when you find an older book. I don't know what year this was printed in, but it was 95-cent paperback, and it's just amazing. I just have to add it to my library after I read it. I also got another book, which is How to Knit a Love Song. It's a novel. Just excited to read this novel. It's about knitting, and I got this for $1. And the last item, which is probably one of the most amazing finds I've ever found, is counted cross stitch. Well, I thought I was getting a deal and I got this for $1, but I went to another thrift store and I got all of these, which I thought were $2 a piece, which I knew was already a good deal. And then when I got to the register, they were 20 cents each. So I got all 5 for $1. One of the greatest finds I've ever found in a thrift store. So that wraps it up for the crafting items that I found in thrift stores. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share GraCee Designs.